chicken adobo. This is half of the chicken. I already cut it in pieces. I'm gonna put garlic salt, lumpia sauce, dark soy sauce, Kikkoman soy sauce, extra virgin olive oil, and some whole black peppercorn. Okay, I'm gonna marinate the chicken. This is a 1 tablespoon mushroom soy sauce. It's already in there. 2 tablespoons of Kikkoman soy sauce. We'll put some more if we need it later. 1 tablespoon of this. Over. Virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon. Some peppercorn. Just a little bit, like this. Garlic salt. 1 teaspoon. And pepper. Same thing, 1 teaspoon. Okay, I already washed my hands, so let's mix it all together. See? Mix it all together. Put saran wrap and put in the fridge for 30 minutes. After I put all the ingredients in the chicken, I just realized I didn't put the most important thing. So I'm gonna add some vinegar. This is a 1/4 cup. So 1/4 cup of vinegar. Smell it, honey? That's good. And this one right here, the reason why I put this is to make the adobo sweet. Otherwise, you can use brown sugar if you want your adobo sweet. So that's why I put this, only 1 tablespoon, just to give it a saltiness, sweetness, sourness, to balance all of that. That's the reason why I put this. Okay, let's start cooking now. I put a little bit olive oil in the pan, and it's been on a while, so let's put the chicken. We're gonna brown the chicken here. We're going to fry the chicken a little bit. What we're doing right now is we're browning the chicken, fried a little bit, and then we'll put the marinade when the chicken is brown. Now the chicken is starting to get brown. The next step is you're gonna put the marinade. After you put the marinade, you're gonna put some garlic, some bay leaf, some onion, you're gonna add half a cup of water. Put the cover and simmer it. Low the fire like that. I think the eggs are done. Put them there. Put them in the water so they'll be easy to peel off. These eggs, they're going to the adobo. When the adobo is almost done, I'm gonna put them in the adobo. Let me put the egg over here. Make sure there is no more shell. I'm also cooking rice. Okay, let's check the adobo, what it looks like. I think it's time to add the eggs now. We're gonna put some more onion. Okay, let's cover it. Simmer it now. And now the adobo is done, ready to serve. Let's see if my husband wants some chicken adobo. Honey, do you want to try my chicken adobo? Huh? No? Why, you already ate?